Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Web. Here's how to fix high ping network issue and packet loss in Marvel Rivals on PC. So the first step is check your internet connection. Ensure your connection is stable. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection for better stability. And then the next step is optimize in-game settings. Lower network demanding settings like data sync and disable unnecessary background apps. And then update network drivers. Open device manager, find network adapters, and update the driver for improved performance. And if that doesn't work, use a VPN. Sometimes switching to a VPN reduces packet loss and stabilizes ping by routing traffic better. So if all the above steps didn't work, contact your ISP. If issue persists, reach out to your internet provider to resolve bandwidth or latency issues. Thank you for watching How to Web. Like, share and subscribe for more fixes.